Hi friends, welcome to our channel Creative Fun. Let us learn few creative activities, have fun and enjoy it together. We are going to have an exciting journey by learning many things like origami, games, cooking, art, craft, stories and many more. Today we are going to show you how to make an origami cup. Before starting, I would like to give a brief introduction on origami. Origami. Ori means folding and gami means paper. Is the art of paper folding which is often associated with Japanese culture. In modern usage, the word origami is used as an inclusive term for all folding practices regardless of their culture of origin. The traditional Japanese origami is practiced since 1602. Now let's make the cup. First, take a square sheet. Then fold it to that corner. Fold it into half. Now fold one layer down. Then unfold it. Fold the corner to this point. Then fold the other corner. Hope you have understood till now. Fold one layer down like this. Fold the other layer behind. Place your finger to open the cup. Now your cup is ready. See how beautiful and colorful these cups are. In this cup, you can keep paper clips, small things, erasers, etc. Today, we have learned to make a paper cup with simple origami steps. Hope you all had fun. Watch out this channel for more such creative fun. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Create more, enjoy more, live more. Bye.